Okay, so for this week's video, I decided to turn my attention back to photographing birds again. I haven't photographed birds since the springtime when I photographed the black woodpecker's nest. I have been talking and mentioning in other videos about how I would like to focus on and improve my bird photography, but when it's summertime, I'm always so focused on photographing mammals that I end up just completely forgetting about photographing birds. Over the past week, I have been taking every opportunity possible to photograph whatever birds I can see in the forest, from my balcony, and even dragging my boyfriend out to go driving around looking for birds of prey. I think the reason I don't enjoy sharing my bird photography is because I'm not so confident about it. I feel very unsure about my photographs and they just never feel good enough. I see so much amazing bird photography online. I almost feel embarrassed to share mine, which now that I say it out loud actually does feel a little bit stupid. But obviously, if I don't practice, I'm not going to get better. We have a lot of storks here in Bavaria. There are a lot of nests. And in the springtime, I actually shared a story about one nest in particular. They hadn't had chicks in 2 years, but this year they were actually successful. I actually didn't get pictures of that particular nest, but I took this picture in springtime after I had seen the female lying down and nesting. I had hoped that she had eggs, but now I know for sure that they definitely did have chicks, and I wanted to share it with you. I called this picture Proud Parents. The problem with driving around looking for birds of prey, I realized, is that even with 600 millimeters, they just seem to be always too far away. I was trying my best to capture the birds of prey we have in the area. We have kestrels, buzzards, and red kites. And what I really wanted was in-flight shots, especially when it comes to these bigger birds, but they were just too far away. One of the evenings when the sun was setting, we stopped at a lake to see if there was anything flying around, and I spent some quality time with a very curious little coot who was swimming very close to me. So I think I have decided over the next few months I'm going to spend a lot more time focused on bird photography so that I can take pictures that I am actually really proud of and happy with. I think this will be a lot of fun and a really good challenge. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully some of the photography. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!